today is nail day, but unfortunately I will be removing these really cute Valentine's Day nails. I literally just did. I only had them on for a little over a week now, and I thought I would wear them for the whole month of February, but I got some new nail goodies and I really want to try them out. But that is the beauty of doing your own nails. You can literally change them whenever you want. You can do your nails 2 times a week if you really want. But if you want to see how I did this set, it will be linked in the cards above and also in the description box. But today I will be removing these press-on nails, and we're gonna do something a little bit different today. Normally I would do the full soak off method, which I think is the best method. I think it causes the least amount of damage, and I'll have that video also linked in the cards or in the description box. But I posted that a few months ago. I love that routine. It's just time consuming, and I'm just trying to do something really quick today. Little ASMR moment. This is what I'm going to be using today. This is nail glue remover from Makartt. I did order this on Amazon. You can also find a similar version of this from the brand Kiss at CVS. I saw it while I was at CVS the other day, but I had already purchased this. But as another option, if you don't want to shop online, but I'll have them both linked in the description box so you guys have options. But this came with the nail glue remover. It also came with this little brush to apply it, as well as these 2 little wooden cuticle pushers. I really don't want to take these off, but let's get into it. I don't know if this is a good angle because I usually film the other way, but we're gonna test this out. I'm just gonna put this napkin down because I'm not sure how it will affect my desk. But I did use this when I removed my last press-on nail set, and it definitely took way less time. So we're gonna time this today so I can show you just how long it takes. I mean, because I'm filming, it might take a little longer because I'm probably gonna be talking through it, you know, but it comes with this little stopper here, and it's kind of hard to get out when you have nails on. So last time I used my teeth and the liquid got on my mouth, I thought I was gonna have an allergic reaction. My mouth felt so weird. So do not recommend using your mouth for that. But okay, starting the timer now. But I'm just going to dip the brush into the solution, and then I'm going to rub it around the edges of the nail and also underneath the nail. So on the back side, put some of that solution. Put a lot actually. I kind of wanted to soak it all in, and just repeat that on all my fingers. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, if I was the one who was creating this product, personally, I would create a bottle that has like a nozzle. Instead of using this brush, wouldn't it just be so much easier to like apply the product with a nozzle? You know, like a little pointed tip nozzle, if that makes sense. It would be so much easier to apply this liquid if it came in a different container. I feel like this is kind of messy, but who am I? Who am I? And maybe there's one out there. Let me know if you've tried a different version of this. I'd love to try different types. I'll definitely try the Kiss one soon and see if it's comparable or if I like it better. But I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Also, this stick is so damn short. Look how tiny this thing is that if it falls in the bottle, good luck getting it out. So don't put it in the bottle. But I'm gonna let that sit for just a few seconds, and then I'm gonna use the cuticle pusher to try and start lifting the nails. This is where it can get dangerous if you're not being patient. You absolutely do not want to start ripping and tugging at your nails with a lot of force. Just gently try and lift them until you feel a little bit of that release. Like don't pressure it, kind of let it work on its own. You're just helping it out a little bit, you know, like I'm gently just sticking the edge of that cuticle pusher under and gently pushing up. The press-on nail, your nail might not come off just after one application of the liquid, so you really have to be patient or you're gonna ruin your nails. So you can see, hopefully you guys can see that it is lifting a little bit. Now that I was able to lift those up just a little bit, we're gonna go back in with the nail glue remover and apply some more. And this time I'm gonna try and get it underneath the press-on nail so that it can seep further into the glue and start releasing it. A little hack you can do is stick the cuticle pusher underneath the nail and then apply the remover so that you can really make sure it's getting in there. We're currently 8 minutes into this process, but now I'm gonna go ahead and actually try and start lifting them up. And once again, not forcing it. If it hurts to lift it up, stop and just be patient. Apply more product, wait a little longer. This one honestly doesn't seem to want to budge, so we might have to move on from the thumb. Let's move on to the pointer. She seems like she's ready to go. Let's see. Yes, we got our first press on off. You guys can see there is like some residual glue on my finger if it focuses, but the solution basically kind of makes the glue tacky again. You can see when it's popping off, it's like stretching, like the glue looks like it's sticky again almost. Okay, we got our first hand done besides the thumb. I'm gonna apply more solution on the thumbnail and just let it sit a little longer. This thumbnail though is literally not budging. Okay, she's coming off. There we go. And that was a total of 14 minutes and 45 seconds. Not as quick as the last time, honestly, because I was talking. So yeah, less than 15 minutes to take off one set of press-on nails. Obviously, we gotta double that because we gotta take off this one still, but also we gotta subtract. We're doing girl math here. We're doing lots of girl math today because we're gonna double it, but we're gonna subtract, let's say 2 minutes for the talking that we did in this video. So I would say a good 20 minutes just to take off a full set of nails. That's my girl math for the day. I got the other set of nails off and you can see just how crusty my nails look because the glue kind of got tacky again, it shifted around and then it dried up, and plus the solution itself is pretty dry. So I'm just gonna go wash and scrub my hands and then do a little bit of nail care. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and buff my nails because there is still a little bit of the glue residue, and I'm just gonna smooth everything out. And I'm just using the 180 grit side of my nail file. So here are my final thoughts about using this method to remove your press-on nails. If I'm being honest, as much as I like this method because it is less time consuming, I think I much rather prefer to soak off my nails. Like I said earlier, I think it's better for the health of your nails. And even though it is time consuming, it can also be relaxing. Like just put on a show. I mean, if you have the time, of course. I know we live busy lives and whatever, but if you have the time to just basically like romanticize it, do that. Put on a show, put on an audiobook or something, and the time will fly by. Because more than anything, you should really care about the health of your nails. And even though my nails are a little short and crusty sometimes, I do feel like I take very good care of my nail beds and I have pretty healthy nail beds. I want to keep it that way and not ruin them. I'm just wiping away all the dust. I'm going to apply some cuticle oil. And I am very heavy-handed with the cuticle oil. I put it everywhere, all around, up and down, literally anywhere and everywhere. I got my other hand nice and clean. Nail beds are looking very good, very healthy, but it's definitely much faster than soaking. I got that all done during my son's nap time and I still have time to spare. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other nail videos. I have a huge playlist, and also like this video if you did enjoy it. Let me know if you've tried this product or if you tried anything else similar to this. Maybe I can try something else out for a future video, but thank you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.